Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here again, aka the Gourmet Grandad. Well, today I'm going to be cooking for you pork brochettes with ginger and lemon. Now doesn't that sound exciting? Well, let me tell you it is. Now these are the ingredients I've assembled here. Obviously we're going to need some pork. Well, this is pork shoulder steaks. I've got this. This was quite a good deal at my local supermarket. We're going to need some lemons, some garlic, some ground cumin, salt and black pepper, some yoghurt, and here we have some ground nutmeg, some SPIRACHA, just to give it a bit of a kick, and yeah, of course, mustn't forget our ginger, must we? There it is. So yeah, I'll get this prepared and then we'll make a start. Stay tuned. So step one, we need a clean bowl, something like this one, and in there we're going to go with the lemon juice. So I've got this half a lemon we need, and we squish that in with my nifty little squisher. So there we go, that's the juice of half a lemon. Then we need quite a bit of this pepper. It's just ground black pepper, there we go. Give that a bit of a mix. Then we can go in with the pork. I'm going to put this into the bowl here. Stir it around until all these pieces of diced pork are all covered nicely. And when it's done, we cover this and leave this to one side for about half an hour, perhaps an hour, and yeah, move on to the next step, which is to make up our marinade. Now here I have the ginger, which is now finely chopped. About an inch of it is the best way to describe it. We'll pop that into this clean bowl that we've got here. I'm also going to put in the other half of the lemon. Go. About 4 tablespoons of this yoghurt, a nice thick creamy yoghurt. Right, one more, that should do. Squeeze in our garlic. I've used I've used 2 garlic cloves there. Then we're going to need some nutmeg. And these little spoons, they never fit in the jar. So about a teaspoon of nutmeg go in there. 2 teaspoons of ground cumin. It's a bit heat, that one, I won't put all of that in. And we need some SPIRACHA. Now that will give you a bit of a kick. Be a bit careful with this, you know, don't want to burn your tongue. That should be enough, that's fine. Okay, so I'll give this a stir. Smells good already. Back to the pork. Give that a little bit of a stir. Now remember, this has just had the lemon juice in and plenty of pepper. Then we can add our really tasty marinade. And of course we're going to give this a good mix in, and then it's going to be left for 2 hours, at least 2 hours, maybe longer. So pop on this little coat and we'll leave that. And I'll see you back in 2 hours, maybe 3. Meanwhile, we can prepare the lemon. We're going to cut that into nice little pieces so that they can go onto our barbecue skewers, like this. And then it's off to the barbecue, and there it is in all its glory. We cook these for about 15 minutes, right through, and then you end up with this. Okay, so let's give this pork a try, shall we? Nice. Quite tender, got a lot of lemon flavour, and you can taste the ginger too, and the other spices. So please try this one for yourself. Okay, that's it for today, and I shall see you next time. Please don't forget to subscribe.